the second question, why you, is something more different. Kasi ang why you would answer your question na, why you and not the others? Why you and are you worth investing in? Kasi mag-i-invest si company sa'yo ng time, ng effort, ng money, and everything, right? And kung nasa live kayo kanina, I did mention na kung iisipin nyo na ang hiring is for you, it's wrong. Okay? Hiring is not about you. Okay? Hiring is about the company and their problem. Okay? And the earlier na ma-realize nyo yan, the better for you kasi mag-iiba ang approach nyo sa paggawa ng resume nyo, sa pag-ready nyo sa mga sagot nyo sa interviews and whatnot. So, I'm telling you that kasi pag tinanong kayo kung bakit ikaw, you'd know na they have a problem in their company. Probably nag-hire sila ng ganitong tao kasi may nag-resign, kailangan palitan. And the answer na pwede mong approach doon sa isip mo is, bakit ikaw yung tamang tao para pumalit? Okay? Siyempre, ikaw, someone na wala pang experience, ang pwede mong i-highlight, isipin mo, bakit nga ba ako? Bakit nga ba hindi yung may mga experience na? Di ba? Pero, no work experience does not mean no experience at all or no relevant experience at all. Tandaan mo na possible fresh grad ka. Yes, first time mo maghanap ng trabaho, ng formal work. Pero, nagkaroon ka ng internship. Pwede mong i-highlight yon na relevant yung internship mo sa ina-applyan mong position. Say for example, sorry, itong intern namin before. Human resource management graduate siya. Nag-intern siya sa amin. And ang nilagay niya sa resume niya is talagang yung ginagawa niya everyday na listahan. And then, ginawa niya din yung nag-guide sa pagsagot sa interview niya na ito na po yung mga alam ko sa recruitment. And I can do that. Kasi nagawa ko po siya ng hands-on. And on top of that, I'm still very, fresh sa industry. I can offer fresh perspective. I experienced working with a team before, so hindi na po bago sa akin yan. I even worked with a lot of organizations sa aking college, and I'm sure na transferable po yung skills na yan dito sa position na to. Okay? That's why I believe na magiging effective akong kapalit ng kung sino mo yung pinapalitan nyo, or that's why I am the right person for that job.